What's up, guys? Bruno Aponte here, back with another tutorial. Super excited to be here with you guys. Today we're doing another breakdown of Photoshop. It's a bit different than what I normally do. I haven't actually uploaded this design to Instagram yet, but I will be doing that today. Drop a comment down below if you like the design. I made this a few weeks ago, so it's a little bit old, but I felt like you guys would probably like it, and you know, it's a bit different. In any case though, let's get right into the swing of things. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Drop a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought about today's video. Hopefully you guys learned something. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.